Welcome to the Random Accent Challenge. Here's how this works. You spin the wheel, you get an accent, and you have to perform a scene in its entirety in that accent. Sounds easy, right? Well, let's find out just how much confidence and skill you really have. And by you, I mean Alyssa Morales, the person I'm collaborating with today. Alyssa, spin the wheel of accents!
Round and round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows.
Interesting. Now let's see what I spin up. Come on, big money, no whammies! That's not so interesting. Whatever, I'll work with that. Let's go.
So, if you got superpowers, I guess that would make you what, like some kind of super dog?
That information's classified.
Come on, like what's your best power? You're good to move. How about flying? Can you fly?
Don't be silly, I can't fly.
Okay, fine. If you don't have any powers, you don't have any powers. What's it to me?
I have a super bulk.
A super buck? Wow, you're kidding me! What exactly does one do with a super buck?
I really can't talk about it. It's classified. So I suggest you pipe down and take me to Penny.
You're awfully attached to this Penny character, huh, Wags?
She's my person.
Oh, please, she's a person. And if you ask me, the only good person is a... Oh!
Styrofoam! Tuck and roll!
Token what?
What is this red liquid coming from my paw?
It's called blood, hero.
Do I need it?
Yes. So if you want to keep it inside your body where it belongs, you should stop jumping off trucks doing 80 on the interstate!
Well, normally I'm a tad more indestructible. It must have been the, Oh, the styrofoam! That stuff! It weakens me!
Aha!
What are you doing? Put that down!
Alright, that's it. I had it with you. Untie me, Perch. I'm gonna seriously wound you. I'm gonna seriously wound you with this styrofoam.
Are you mad? You don't know the power of styrofoam!
Oh, you bet I'm mad, baby. And I'm about to unleash it. The power of the styrofoam.
Oh, alright, Cat. Okay, you win. I won't tie you. That's a weird place to put a piano. Hey, yeah! Are we gonna have any more problems, Cat?
No more problems. I'll take you to Penny.
Ah! What is that?
What?
That? Okay, you have 2 seconds to tell me what you implanted into me, Cat. Poison? A parasite? Poison? I already said that, didn't I? See, I'm all discombobulated. I can't think straight.
I don't believe this. You're hungry.
Where is the antidote?
Okay. All right. There's your antidote. Food. Go on, use the dog face. This is gonna be beautiful. You know, beg. Do the dog face.
What? The dog face? What does that mean?
Because I'm tired of one to the dog on earth who doesn't know how to beg. Okay, if you want the antidote, you're gonna have to do exactly what I say.
Not likely. You're a degenerate creature of darkness.
Yeah, granted. But that said, all I'm asking you to do is just tilt your head a little. You could do that, can't you? Come on. More.
This is stupid.
No, come on. Work with me on this, please. You're almost there.
Oh, boy.
Okay, try it the other way. There you go. Tilt up, down. Now a little smile. Lose the smile. Drop your left ear, your other left. Okay, the other way was better. Now drop them both. Hold it right there and ever so slightly look up. Soup is on, baby!
Oh, here you go.
Yes!
Oh, look at his little guy. Oh.
Beat it, stupid cat!
Hello everybody, this is Drew Mandu. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share with your friends, and maybe even subscribe for more. That's all for me, and I'll see you next time.